Wow. Super excited. You're welcome to Financial Trading Culture Series with Owolabi on Owolabi TV. And today's episode is an amazing one because I want you to sit back and understand why you need to play in the cryptocurrency space. You see, I gave this analysis last month and it has helped a lot of people. Quite a lot of people have made money from it. If this is your first time you're watching my Owolabi TV, make sure you subscribe and make sure you click on the notification bell so that you would not miss any amazing opportunity, educations, videos that we will be uploading that will help you. Okay, so let's get back to it. So today we're dealing with the position in Bitcoin, and I remember putting this analysis up in our Discord, in our free Facebook group, and also in our Telegram group. You see, so on the 14th, in February, I saw this analysis and I said that we have all the indices is clear for us to buy Bitcoin on the way to 56,000. And see, when you have this kind of analysis, you need to understand that you have all it takes to make money from it. And as I posted this in the group, for those who took action, right now they're already up by between 20 and 30% right now, which is not bad because it was posted February. It was posted February 21. And if it was posted February 2021, today is February 25. That's just some days after a month. That's about a month and just 1 or 2 days. So that's what we're talking about. That you need to understand that the cryptocurrency space, the financial market space, makes a lot of people make money. But the question is, are they patient? Are they tough enough to walk through the hassle? Okay, so let's get to Bitcoin chart, and I'm really pumped up about this. So why did I send this on the group? For those who have been following me, I always tell people I'm a supply and demand trader, and I have a strategy called ITC, Institutional Trading Concept, which is what we also use in the crypto community group. Last year, we did over 17,000% with Axis, Infinity that we picked, and some other amazing assets that we picked last year. And this year, I can't wait for our goals this year because I can imagine what the cryptocurrency market is going to be having for us this year. Okay, so let's get back to Bitcoin. So I saw this drop-based drop, which was a demand level. But as usual, I always wait for confirmation, and I have all the 7 checklists that needs to be done in the crypto in trading. Okay, so and we have the break of structure here, and we have this confirmation when the market hits into this place. We went as low as 1 on daily, and when it got to daily, so this is exactly what I posted on the group. Okay, this was exactly what I posted on the group. So we had this, and I said that the entry was going to be in this zone. Okay, so if you watch the diagram that we have right now, it will look almost the same thing like this. Okay, so I said we're going to take that right, and immediately the market entered into it, got it up, and right now we're around 44,800, which is approaching 45,000. Okay, so that's, if you go in when I dropped it in the group, that is about 25% to 30%, which is not a bad transaction in a month. Tell me the business that you will do that can give you that. So this is why I tell people that you need to understand the market. You need to understand the altcoins you want to trade. You want to understand the cycle, the cryptocurrency cycle. Some people don't understand the cryptocurrency cycle, and that's why they're missing out. Oh, this guy is bullish, this guy is bearish. Guys, there are indices that is in our cryptocurrency course that can allow you get that. Okay, so with that, I'm expecting the market to do an average of 56 as take profit. Okay, then at 65, we could close all some positions more and watch out for a break above 65 for a new all-time high, or if it doesn't break it, then we can have the bearish coming to it for a 37 between for a 20,000 10,000 expectation. So don't be yeah, I know some of you don't want Bitcoin to come to 10,000, 15,000. I know a lot of you don't want it, but that's the secret. That's the cycle. The market needs to always, when the market does a major move, he has to retrace to get the next move. Okay, he has to retrace. So even if he goes here, he can't go to 250,000. He can't go to 500,000. But if you can allow this guy to drop to about 10,000, then we are ready for 100,000, 300,000. My projection is 300,000. Then after 300,000, we have another major crash. Then we now go to $1 million. It's going to get there, but you have to be able to play around with it. Mr. Mayowa, how did you know this? Okay, maybe you have to join the Midas Crypto Vault. Okay, the Midas Crypto Vault has a lot for you, and it's a year subscription where you will have a lot for a lot. We talk about pre-sales there. We talk about trading assets there, short-term trades and long-term trades. All of that is available. Last year we did over 17,000%. You know, all you need to do, we have a current discount for $500 for 6 months, $1,000 for 1 year instead of 1,500. So imagine on your $500, you're able to do maybe like 200% this year. Not bad, okay? But you see, I tell people we expect 100%. We did 17,000%. So if you expect 100% and it gives you 50% or 200%, it's not a bad one, okay? But you need to understand the differences, okay? We have the trading asset, we have the investment asset, which is the long-term asset and all of that. So the long-term asset might not give you what you want immediately, because you want to hold asset for a while. You want to hold it pre-sales. You want to hold it for a while. Okay. Platforms on launch pads, DeFi is going to be giving access to DeFi platforms that you can fix your money and begin to get a good return on investment. So all of that is available in the Midas Crypto Vault, and you can listen to all the testimonials we have here. They are amazing testimonials. Okay, this guy did 400%, you know, quick, and he sold the asset. So that's what we have for the Midas Crypto Vault, for those that want to be in the Midas Crypto in the cryptocurrency group. Okay, so right now we are still expecting Bitcoin to push further to 56, 57, and around that place we're going to take an amazing profit, because by that time we will, for those that pick this trade in the free group, would have done like about 55% to 60%. That is not a bad one in 3 months. That's never a bad one. Okay, so around that zone you want to take some profit. Okay, always take profit. See, the cryptocurrency market is so volatile. Take profit and leave your profit in the market. Take profit and leave your profit in the system. That is how to run this. Okay, I'm sure this video will help one or two of you. Okay, so I expect the market to push to 56, 57, move into 60, move into 64. We should expect a drop from there. But once it breaks the all-time high, that means it's going to go to 72, it's going to go to 80, then from 80, we expect the drop. There must be a drop. No emotions. There must be a drop. Okay, I'm sure this helped one or two people. If you have any question in crypto, make sure you drop the questions below, and always tell us thank you. Tell us the next asset you want us to analyze. I'll take out time with my team. We're going to analyze it, and we're going to get back to you guys. I'm really pumped up, guys. Have a pleasant evening. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time, and make sure you share. Help somebody to see this free content so that someone can be grateful to you that you help it. See you guys later. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.